gotta make sure the microphone works. There it is. Just gotta make sure the microphone works. Alright, so you might hear some shit in the background. We'll probably be pretty quick about this. It's not too difficult. So grab the top plane. Start with sketch. Grab the top plane. Circle. Go to the origin. Bring it out. Since I don't have any dimensions at this point, we're going to do 10 inches. You can do any measurement you want. Exit. Features. We can do this two ways, but we're going to do it the easy way. So it looks like I don't have any actual measurements. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make this 1/4 inch thick and extrude it. So extruded boss base, extruded, cool. Go back to sketch, sketch, top of the plate. Come up here to the view orientation. Look at it from the top. Grab the circle again. Go to the origin. Break it out. Smart dimension it so that we can go to here. Looks like 8.5. Yeah, fuck it. We'll go with 8.5. So extrude it again. This time we're gonna do. It looks like it's a little bit thicker, so we'll go 0.35 inches. How does that look? Let's go 1/2 inch. That's too deep. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. 3. We'll go with 1/3 of an inch. So now we have the base and the plate itself. So we're going to go back to sketch. Sketch. Now you don't want to click on that one, on the one we just did. So you want to do this outer, the first outer one that we did. So up. Now the sketch is currently on this one instead of this top part. So this is where we're going to create these. So there's 6 of them. Looks like 2 of them are in line with each other. So we'll do this, and then we'll go with, well, it doesn't fucking matter. So the easiest way to complete this is to, it doesn't matter the size of them right now. You want to go to features, reference geometry. Nope, not that. Where the hell is it? Ah, I can't use it. It's because I'm not Sketch. Sketch. So relations, add a relation. So we're going to put that one and that one. Nope, not the face. We want the 2 of those to be vertical. So on the side we want them vertical. We'll click OK. And then we want to add another relation. So we want this half point. So hold over this line, half point, go to the origin, and make them vertical. So now this one's in vertical with this one. Now we're going to do this. We got to clear selections, or else it's just going to be a pain in the ass. Put this one to the origin. Awesome. So now, how thick are those? Looks like they lie on a hexagon. So we'll create a hexagon like this. Wait, no, that's not a hexagon. I'll delete that. I don't think I have a hexagon on this one. Oh, I can change the number. Okay, that's right. I forgot about that. So we'll just do that. Reselect this. I screwed up. Sorry. Delete that. Back to we want 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that should be correct. It's on the origin as well. Now, whatever dimensions you have, you just have to make them that way. This is fully straight up and down, as you can tell from the line that was going this way, but just to make sure, we want relation, add relation. This halfway point needs to be parallel with this halfway. Well, actually, no, we don't want to do that. Clear selection. So we want this line and this line to be parallel. Clear selections, and then this line and this line to be parallel. Clear selections, good to go. So now this isn't going to be moving. I grabbed it. You can bring it up and down, doesn't matter. It's still going to stay in line. It's perfectly square. The next one, and the easiest way to do this, I hate doing these because they're such a pain in the dick. Go ahead and do this. And then we'll try to do add relation, clear selections. That one, that one. That ain't gonna help. Trying to find my rotation. I don't have it because it's not a fully defined feature. Alright, well, this is just here to be useful. So we'll go out to about right there. Now let's okay, so let's bring this add relation. Oop. So we want it to be horizontal. Nope, that's wrong because I didn't select them all. Add relation. I'm doing something wrong. Give me a second. Duh. So it's damn phone turned off. No. Phone. Stop. Alright, so how are these going to go? That looks about right. This needs to come down a little bit. So we'll add a dimension from there to there. It's not very much. No, I want it directly from the line. Right. Directly from the line. You got a point here. You can grab it from the vertex or from the point on the circle, but sometimes it'll be finicky and it's a pain in the ass, so just fuck it. It's not very much. It looks like it's just a sliver, so go 0.05. Yeah, it looks about right. So 0.05 will be our bullshit, and then the actual size of this, we'll make it an even 1.5, and we will do the same to this. So drag that up right there, and then smart dimension that. See if I can get it. Nope. How about now? Nope, whatever. We got a point that we can put down right there. Yeah. So the point will be at the direct vertex right there. We'll do this. 5. Now what we want to do is add relation. That one. That one. What the hell? No, get rid of that one. Clear selections. Clear selections. want the points. Vertical. Shut up. We're not done yet. Alright, so they are in conflict at the moment, but we don't have to worry about that now. Rotation. I don't think my version has the rotation of the view. Fucking trash. I can do that. It's gonna be a pain in the dick, but either way, it still works. It's just not gonna be. It's just gonna be weird. I don't have my bullshit available. You know, this will be easier if I do this. We'll go ahead and just grab the line. Bring it out to there. Bring it to there. Now we got a box. We'll do the same thing with this. That one. We want them in line. It doesn't really matter because we'll be changing the values either way. But for ease of use, whatever. You know what? Fuck it. Doesn't even matter that much. Let's screw that one up. This is what I get when I worry about rushing too much. Not enough SolidWorks. Right there. Essentially, you just want to solidify the box to be exactly as you need it. Right there. Alright. Now we're done with that. So, for now, we're going to add relation. Actually, no. Boop. So, we're going to smart dimension this to be 1.5. Okay, hold on because this is so defined. At this point, we don't really need this, so I'll just delete all that. Shut up. There's nothing overdefined anymore. You know what? It's because I already have the midpoints. Coincident. So, 15, nope, 1.5. Add relation. That one. That one. Oh my god. I hate those relationships sometimes. Wait, no, I do need the points. Alright. This is what we're going to do. For some reason, this relation is not... Good God. Is not coincident with this one. So vertical that. Clear selections. Shut up. Alright. So, we want to change this dimension to 1.5. Change that. Change this to 1.5. Shit. Wrong one. Get rid of that. 1.5. 1.5. Isn't this fun? Yay. So now, center line. So between these, get rid of that so we can bring, no, that's not what we Trim entities. Okay. Should have probably done this a little while ago, but it's alright, it's fine. It's not a big deal. So all I'm doing now so now this point should help me to figure out how I want to do this. No, not that one. Okay. I'm going to make these two equal. So now they're directly in the middle of the 1.5, so it should be each 7.5 or 7.25. No, whatever it is. Now, that point right here is where you want that. Trim entities. Power trim. Don't need that anymore, don't need that anymore. You can do this really however you want to do it. Whatever way is easiest for you. Either way it's going to be a pain in the cock. Nope. Undo. Because hashtag fuck it. We're going to anchor that one into place. And then sorry, it's right mention that one. So now that one to go straight through the origin. Because if it goes through the origin, that means we did our job right. Fuck off. Fine. That's why I'm still in relation. That and that may be coincident. Alright, so now that this is coincident, it's going directly through. So now this makes things a little bit easier. Grab this, make sure that's not grabbing. Get rid of the line and make these coincident. Ta-da! Clear. Place that right there. So now shouldn't be able to move that. No, that relation is perpendicular to this line. So smart dimension, we want this one right there, 1.05. And just do the same for these. It's going to be a pain in the ass, but now I need to figure out what this is. Driven. Just going to copy all that. Alright, whatever. We'll grab another center line, bring it out to here, doesn't matter where. Smart dimension 30.434. Shut up. I just want to know what it is. Shut up. Alright. Where's my sticky notes? There you are. Shut up. So, not now. Get out of those. So the total is... I'm a stickler for this, so it's just going to be a pain in the ass. So, bloop. That's the value we want this one to be at. So 30.4343780. It's the slightest amount. It doesn't really fucking matter, but it's enough to bug the hell out of me. So now, coincident. Clear selections, good to go. Smart dimension. We want actually we want a point right there. That's not where we want it. So just place point wherever. Add another relation. Oop. Nope. Yeah, that one. Coincident. And now that one and that one as coincident. Alright, well that's in the direct. That's just touching on both of these, so now it's fine. So now smart dimension this junk to 0.05. Cool. All this legwork bullshit. Center line. There's easier ways to do this, but YOLO. I'm too tired to do the easy, or to figure it out, to remember how to do the easy ways. Display relation. Now we're going to relation that minus the line to be coincident with the center line. Smart dimension. Actually, that's a point. Add relation to this line is going to be coincident. Now get rid of this edge. Now it's to there. Coincident. Clear selections. Cool. Now grab the smart dimension to there. 0.05. Everything is mostly defined at this point. Now you can make them whatever size you really want. Shut up. We'll make these. We'll go ahead and keep these as. Tell you what. Let's make this a little bit cleaner. We'll go ahead and get rid of this. No, actually, we'll keep that for now. Fuck it. It's alright. Boop. We're going to change this to, let's say, 1.75. 1.75. Shit. Cancel. Delete that. 1.75. No. 5. Alright. So now they are fully defined at this point. Go ahead and head back into here. Just to make sure all the dimensions are correct. It says it's underdefined. It's fine. Fix it later. Oop. So now we're going to extrude the sketch number 3, which we just made. Sketch number 3, how far up does it need to go? Looks to be about, so if that is a 1/2 inch, no, that's about 1/3 of an inch. So let's put this to 1. No. Edit feature. I'm going to put that to 2. Too far. 1.5? Nope. 1.75. It's a little too high. We'll stick to 1.5. Alright, so now we are going to another easy way would be to change all of those designs into a side view and do line, concentric, line. Might end up doing that anyway, but this will be fine. Because this one is a little bit easier because you can actually physically change it to however you want, and you can dimension it however you want. So it makes it a little bit easier. Another way you could do it is to take a section, just have one of these in a section, and then just rotate it around a vertical center line. I didn't do that. I'm not too great at that, so I'm not going to do that. But now what we can do is... It's not chamfer. We can do a fillet. Whatever. So we want that. Oh, that's the side. My bad. Side. Get rid of that face. Top. Side. And it'll look something like that. So at this point you would want it a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and change that. Let's see. Edit sketch. No. Sorry. Exit sketch. Edit feature. We're going to put it to 2. Yeah. Let's see what 2 looks like. Looks about right. Yeah, we'll go with that. Features. Fillet. Fillet. So we'll do this one. Fillet. You just find doing this. Oh, damn it. Actually, I have an idea. Can I? I've never tried this before. Okay. Doop, doop. And then there's the other side. Doop, 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 and doop. You do that? No, you can't do that. Well, it was worth a try. Whatever. So now we gotta do this all over again. And you can tell it's been a long day. Alright, so now we have all these. Not a big deal. What we might do is end up rolling back these fillets, because now we can make it easy. This is where using the blocks is a lot easier, because what you need to do is, we'll keep with the fillets for now. Rotate to the top, and we're going to place a couple points. Sketch point. I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and roll back the fillets. Sketch on top of these. I'm going to place a point, 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 place a point. Alright. So, good to go. Relate. Nope. Cancel. Add relation. So to there. And there. No, fucker. So, point. I just want that. Alright. Be a cocksucker then. Get rid of this edge. Oh wait, I'm a dummy. Center line. Now we need to make more center lines. These center lines are going to help us define these points. So, add relation. We want this point and this line to be coincident. And we're going to do this for all of the different points. Coincident. Coincident. Shit. Alright, it's already there. So, coincident. Clear selections. Ta-da! Now, gonna remove the relations. Let's see, how far is that? It looks like it's about right there. So we'll go ahead and define these two. 1.89. So how about 1.19? Yeah, I'll tell you what. I got 0.2, just an even 0.2. And we'll do this for all of them. I'm not doing this. Let's see if this works. Nope, can't do it. So that one, that one. Alright, those are fully defined. So what we're doing at the moment is we're trying to create a plane. These points will help us create a point to make this plane. At this point, this point, and this point. So we're going to hide this sketch. We don't need sketch number 4 at the moment. We're going to hide it. We won't show it just yet. So the next one needs to be another sketch on this plate, this bottom plate, or this top plate. We're going to go ahead and bring it to the top. Now, I have a point here, and I need 2 more points. So I could bring them down to here, actually. Oh, you know what? I know how to do this. This will be an easy part. So we want a center line from there. If you let me. It does not look like you'll let me. Alright. Looks like I'm going to have to put a point on the bottom. And exit sketch, new sketch. Right there. We're going to go ahead and re-hide this. Go to the top. So now that we're on here, this will be on the bottom part. Making sure? Yep, it's on the bottom. So each one of these points will act as a their own plane, so to speak. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring back this, show this, and draw a center line, if it'll let me. did I do that before? What a pain in the dick. I should just be able to sketch it right there. I wonder if it's because of the fillets. Probably. We'll get rid of them. Yeah, let's just get rid of them. They're not that important at the moment. We can always come back and redo the face fillets. I don't want to do that. So, how about this? We're going to take this sketch, I'm going to edit. We're going to head to the side. Grab a center line. Touch balls. This is what happens when you take some time off of SolidWorks. Even if it's only for a week. You get stupid. Require. Tell you what, be right back.